In times of crisis, community support isn't just helpful, it's essential. At Jewish Family Service, we're dedicated to assisting all Utahns through life's toughest moments. With increased demand and limited resources, our programs are now more crucial than ever. 1 in 5 U.S. adults experience mental illness each year. 1 in 10 Utah households experience food insecurity. And 38,000 people aged 65 and older are living with Alzheimer's in Utah. The pandemic has profoundly altered our world, heightening isolation, anxiety, and financial strain. Many JFS clients, predominantly low-income individuals, struggle to afford basic needs. Last year, the Alex and Sally Lebwell Food Pantry served more than 12,000 individuals and families who are experiencing food insecurity due to inflation, rising rents, and increased grocery costs. We provided more than 2,500 hours of affordable mental health counseling. More than 75% of our clients received these services for $25 or less. No one is turned away for lack of ability to pay. Our Emergency Financial Assistance Program granted more than $160,000 to help people stay in their homes in 2023.
In the past year, our pantry has been busier than ever. Our numbers have more than doubled. A lot of clients that we see are like Tiffany. They work, but still are not able to feed their families.
When I needed help, JFS was very good for me because they were immediately accessible to my needs, and there were other agencies that were offering support, but there were long lines that you had to wait in or months that you had to wait to receive help. And I really feel like when a family is in crisis, especially hunger, that it's an immediate need, and it's hard to do other things like seek for jobs when your family's hungry.
At JFS, we see people like Kristen needing rental assistance, utility assistance, medical bill help. We also see people needing sometimes car repairs. We see all kinds of needs.
As a single mother, JFS has been able to help me with financial assistance. Although I am working, I was not able to provide for my children and survive off of the one income that I have now. But JFS was there. My hopes and goals for the future is just to provide my children with a better future than I was given.
I met Martha in 2020 in the middle of the shutdown of all of life, and yet dementia still goes on. And so she started attending our support group and kept coming.
My husband Bob, who I met in 1977, little did I know at the time, but he had already started to develop what would later become dementia.
The caregivers are very much locked in at home with their person day after day after day, and they don't realize that there are resources out there.
I reached out to Rosemary. At that time we were in COVID time, and so all of the support groups were online. What was so helpful to me was not being alone anymore. I love that we could laugh. I love that we could cry together. It also gave me courage. It gave me courage to share with people what was going on.
I'm honored to join JFS at this pivotal time. With your support, we can expand our impact and ensure that no one in our community faces tough times alone. Now more than ever, JFS stands as a beacon of hope and resilience.
Now more than ever.
Now more than ever.
Now more than ever.